welcome back guys, Sadhu from Nasdaq, and today in this video we'll be unboxing something special, DJI OM4 mobile gimbal. Basically these gimbals are used for doing vlogs, mobile photography or videography. This costs around 11,000 rupees. Yes, it's expensive but it's worth the money. Like you can do film, like you can take movie in your hand itself. The technology is improved like that. Saying that there are many companies that manufacture this type of gimbals. So in that DJI is the prominent company. I suggest you to buy that, and I'll be unboxing and I'll be giving a short review of DJI OM4 mobile gimbal. So before that, if you're new to my channel, please make sure you press the subscribe button. Guys, this gimbal has some interesting, it has crazy features. So I'll be showing you that and I'll be giving a short review. So let's unbox this DJI OM gimbal now. So the box is very classy one. Like I feel like I'm holding some precious thing in my hand. So let's unbox this one. So let's unbox this DJI OM4 gimbal. Opening the box, they've written something like create magnetic moments, a superb thought. And here they've given some like instruction to attach, like how to attach mobile to the gimbal, and they given a QR code for you to scan and download the DJI app. Opening this box, the first thing which I get to see is that they've given some stickers. I will let you know the uses of the stickers in the later part of the video. And they've given some silica gels which are used for to absorb the moisture content present in the box. And moving on, they've given a carry bag to carry the gimbal outside. The carry bag quality is quite good. And moving on, they've given type C USB cable. I think it supports fast charging. Moving on, let's see what's in this box now. So let's keep this aside. They're given an extra magnetic mount which is used for to attach it with the mobile to gimbal. There's something like this. You'll get to know in the later part of the video. Opening this box, let's see what's in this box now. There is a quick start guide which comes with more than 20 languages, which is pretty impressive. See guys, the quick start guide is quite huge. Like there are so many pages, and there's instruction like how to use the gimbal. The main thing is that warranty card. Keep this warranty card safe because the item is too expensive. And they've given a pad to attach it to the mobile so that to prevent it from scratches. And they've given some instruction like how to attach the mobile to the gimbal. I'll show you in the later part of the video. So guys, this is the thing which you're eagerly waiting to look at. So let me show you one by one. So this is called clamp, which is used to attach a mobile to the gimbal. Let me show you that once. Before that, there's a camera chamber right here. You should have to place it on the side of the camera and just pull it like this. So that's done. This is the way you should attach it to the mobile. On the other side, there is a tripod which can be even used as a grip. The tripod built-in quality is quite good and amazing. There's no word to describe that. You can look it by yourself. And they've given 3 rubber pads on the either side of the wings, which can be used for grip while you are using it. Guys, this tripod can be placed in this manner to hold the gimbal. So let me take this gimbal out. Keep this aside. So here's the most awaited thing, and it's in my hand now. Like I'm feeling like I'm holding something precious in my hand. So the building quality is quite good, and the weight is, yeah, the weight is comparably more. So guys, let me explain like which are the buttons present in the gimbal. So basically this is called joysticks, which is used to rotate the gimbal in the manner you want. Like by this way you can rotate the gimbal, and this is called menu button, and this is called this button is used for recording, or to stop recording, or to capture photo. Like this button does the multitasking. Behind the gimbal there's a button called trigger button, which is basically customized. Talking about the ports, there is a USB-C type port, which is used for charging, and talking about the main best thing is that it has a USB-A type port, which can be used as a power bank. Like if your mobile is not in charge, you can use it as a power bank. So guys, this menu button is used for it is used as a on and off button. The functions of all this button will be explained in the later part of the. So guys, this is called magnetic mount, where you will attach your phone with the use of this clamp. Let me attach it properly. The gimbal is compact and compatible and rigid. It can be carried anywhere. As you look at it, this gimbal can be attached to tripod by just screwing it in this manner. Let me show you that once. In this manner, you can screw the gimbal to the tripod. This can be used as a grip, or it can be used to take wide angle photos or selfies in this manner. Guys, you can see the gimbal is looking like a mini robot. Witness it once. And the main thing is that they have given DJI branding name on all the sides of the tripod, which makes it look authentic. And let me show you how to connect a gimbal to the mobile. Let me remove this out first. Attaching mobile to the. So guys, let me now explain you like how the gimbal works now. Before that, let me attach the gimbal to the phone. The gimbal is now attached to the phone. So let me on the gimbal now. So the gimbal is on. It came to the default state. Let me off the gimbal now. You saw something, right? So let me on the gimbal now. So guys, you can see the mobile now is in portrait mode now. To change it to the landscape mode, you should just have to press the M button twice, so that the mobile rotates automatically. You can have a look at this once. See, now the mobile is in the landscape mode. To get the portrait mode once again, you should have to press the M button twice. So now I'll show you how the joystick in the gimbal works. It basically rotates the gimbal in the way you need. You can see that once. This gimbal rotates up to like almost 80 degree. This even uplifts or downlifts. I will show you how the panorama works in the gimbal. So it's rotating all 360 degree, and it's taking the panorama picture. So the photo captured by this is displayed on the screen. It comes with the active tracking mode, and it even has a gesture mode where you can mount your gimbal to the tripod, and like you can if you go far away from the gimbal, it captures your face and so guys, using the gimbal in the initial days will be tougher. As you use it frequently, you'll get to know its specification. So guys, if you're planning to buy this gimbal, just go for it without any second thought, but it's worth the money. So I wanted to say something, guys. The last vlog which I did was in this gimbal. The camera stability was crazy, and video was so super cool. So if you're planning to buy this, go for it without any second thought, as I said earlier. So if you're new to my channel, please make sure you press the subscribe button, and please stay safe, stay healthy, and maintain the social distancing norms. Thank you. Have a nice day.